See, is not mending its ways. This is very clear. It keeps saying that these are non-state actors. These are not non-state actors. These are people who are facilitated by the Pakistan ISI and the Pakistan Army, and that is how the infiltration takes place. Recently, the Indian Army has also killed one guide over there who was a Pakistani and who has been very active since the last 10 years. This shows that Pakistan requires some other dosage, and India does not want to escalate the things further. But since Pakistan is not agreeing to stop all this, Prime Minister has made it very clear on 15th August that Operation Sindoor will carry on, and any such attempt will be seen as an act of war. I think then now this time the attacks will be on the Pakistan military establishment to give them a lesson and ensure that all these infiltration attempts stop.
Sir, in the SCO meeting, Prime Minister has talked about the Pahalgam attack and he has criticized terrorism. How do you see?
See, our Prime Minister has always been criticizing terrorism, and we have always been moving resolutions in the United Nations along with other countries for naming and shaming Pakistan. But China has been defending Pakistan always, and they have always put those resolutions on hold, and then later on after 6-8 months the resolution lapses. This time what our Prime Minister says in SCO meeting is very clear, that we should not have double standards and everyone should stand against this terrorism, because terrorism in any form is not acceptable to the world.
And we will take development in the Asian region forward. How do you see this?
See, China also now wants a reconciliation with India, because it has seen the way America wants to isolate China and other countries and be the bully of the world. China will not allow that, and China has one big factor within its own backyard, that is the rare earth metals, which it has already put an embargo in a way, and has asked Taiwan also to tell them where all the chips that they are manufacturing from, the material that is coming from China, is going. Now, the relations with India and China, they are on the mend, and even Xi Jinping recognizes this. The Chinese government, Chinese CCP also wants that there should be a proper good relations between India and China. The land issue and the border issue that is there, that also, as per the Galwan, after Galwan, when the negotiations took place, now whatever remaining friction points are, those will also be removed. But what is more important is that the countries should prosper together, because both countries are nearly about 2.8 billion of the world and the largest countries. And so trade and also development is one major factor to ensure that you do not get bullied by all these Western powers.